What is lookup value function in Power BI? Lookup value in Power BI is a inbuilt DAX filter function that you can use to retrieve the required column value based on another column in a table. For example, I have taken two data like department and employee. Here I want to get the department name inside my employee table. For doing this, we use the lookup value. Let's see a simple example based on this syntax where resultant column name is the department name which I want, and the search column name is the department name, and the second search value is the employee name. One rule is that we have to see there must be a same column name present in both the tables. Okay, here I'm having department and employee table. In employee table, we are having name and salary of employees. So go to table view, you can see Matthew, Bill, Sam, Alex, and Regina and their salaries. And in department table, we are having name and department name Matthew, Jesse, Sam, Arvind, and Regina. You can notice here Arvind and Jesse. These two are not there in your employee table. So I'm going to use the employee table. This is my target, and join or get the department name inside my employee table using lookup function. So for this, let's take a new column and I'm going to give the column name as department name and then use the DAX function lookup value. Here I want the department name and I'm going to use department name as a common column. As you can see, employee is also having a common column name. So I want the department name to be inside employee table, then press enter. You will see a new column. Department name is there, IT for Matthew, and Bill and Alex are not there in the department table. That's why they are blank. So this is how we can use the lookup value function of DAX.